Welcome to Jakey Cam here on Beanpot Skimmers. Today, me and Elsie, along with our mummy,
Hello.
and Ginny's from camera, we're going on a adventure. Where are we going, Elsie?
We're gonna dream a little bit of love, feeling around and sing along.
If you can't guess, we're going to some first. This time, we're flying on it into shape. Welcome to Luton Airport departures. And this is Starbucks. Where's Mr. Heath? Nice and tummy. Right, well, we're going to go explore. So we'll see you in a bit.
Jakey, see the camera, Tom.
Whoa, I found some dinosaurs. Everyone on the floor, everyone do the dinosaur. Right, Elsie, we need to look up there. Lots of flights.
Lots of flights. Where's we go, Jakey?
We're going to Charles De Gaulle.
No. Shall we go Scotland? No. Let's go Disney.
Charles De Gaulle. It is. Elsie, what's behind us?
You ladies get to sit up front.
I saw airplane. Can we need Elsie? What do we see? Did we see our plane?
And the carriage.
Big
Next
step.
step. Go down.
That was
Come on,
cool.
we need a carriage.
We've finally got gate. Gate 15. Going off, so it's come around pretty quick, and we are boarding Simbella. Woohoo! Down to the gates. Beyond your board.
One's in the middle. I've got the window. Yay! So we just take off and land in BFE.
Me at row 3, so even better.
Jakey. Oh, lovely.
We're up. We're in the air. At last. At last. Nearly an hour late. Departed. We're on our way. And we're into lots of fluffy clouds. Very nice.
Bonjour.
Let's come down. Yes. So we're going to be coming down any moment. Well, slowly coming down into Charles De Gaulle. We've got a landing time of 6 o'clock. According to the captain, so keep down. Obviously, we get through pretty quick. We should do. Hopefully. Do my thing. How quick was that?
That was very quick.
Literally, we landed, what, about 20 minutes ago? We landed and through passports in 20 minutes.
One thing worth noting, in France they do recognise the lanyard for disabilities.
Which is what I've got around me. So very, very good.
And we got straight through the front of security.
And literally, we're now walking very quickly. We've got 25 minutes to our connection. We'll see you on the train. The end of the River Walk Crazy approaching. Please watch your step and have a nice day in Chelsea. Plane hot and down to the train station in 35 minutes. That's good going. That platform there will have our train coming in.
Bowie.
Home. We're home. Gary C, for you. Sunday! Hour after landing. Made it. We're at Disneyland Paris. We made it to Santa Fe. And we've been in our block with the Santa Fe Hotel itself. All the rooms done into sections. So you've got Lightning McQueen, Sally, Meta, and Luigi. We are in Luigi. Block 18, just here. You come in Santa Fe's door, right here. To your right, you have a lovely wardrobe area. Left, you got the bathroom, lights, and here, please note, one thing I will say, you have to have a card in the slot. What have I used, Mum? There's Mum.
Loyalty card or a gift voucher or an expired gift voucher.
So I've used a Build-A-Bear
Even a
gift card.
Tesco's Club card.
They'll work. Into the bathroom, light switches on the outside. Nice bath. Ooh, very cool with the arrow. And obviously it's Carlson's Hotel. You've got your shower curtain, which has the racing flags, of course. Waterproof. Yeah, Shaky approves. You got the bath and the shower. And you've got the bubbles. You got the shampoo, which you also get in this one, the beach as well. Ooh. And they've got new branding on the shampoo ones. Toilet, spare zero in case needed. Just excuse that, that's mine, it's me. Tell I'm tired. Hair dryer. Or a hair dryer. Whatever you decide to call it. Coming out, you have a mirror. It's me again. And you have a mum. Mums don't come with the room. Do you, Mum?
No, mums don't come with the room.
We have 2 double beds. Very nice. Run on it. Elsie, you comfy?
Comfy.
You can ask for extra pillows. And what happens, Mum, when you ask for extra pillows?
You ask for reception, or you pick up the communication device and go, hello, can I have some extra pillows, please? And they turn up.
With a knock on the door. Behind each bed, you have a very awesome set of lamps. Seen to the Coast Code Motel, of course, it's cars themed. With a license plate. Oh, I mean, it's hot like it is. It's fun. Controlled by this switch here. You got telly. Ah! It's got my surname on it. It's really cool. Yeah, that's awesome. So the shops. You got the drawers. Just there. Another storage area. I put my suitcase there, so we're only here for 2 nights. Another bed, mine. Jakey's, evidently. And then you got the window. Not a bad view. The ground floor. Yeah, going on socket cam.
We have a socket cam. Right, we have a socket here with a nice ledge.
Very nice ledge.
And you have a socket here.
Sometimes this may be in the connection door, but not always.
And there is one here.
That one we know works.
So there are 3 sockets in this room. So a top tip to anyone coming to a Disney resort, if you're coming to one of the older hotels that haven't had the refurbs, European travel adapter and a power bar.
They're your best friends. If you haven't enjoyed the video, so give it some thumbs up, subscribe down there, you know what I mean. Go and check out my loving mum, addicted to Disney, links are down there as well to her channel. Go and check her out. I know she likes a bit of, you like scrubs, don't you?
I do. Come and follow me too.
Yes. And keep riding, keep swimming. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the parks. Something exciting is coming. I'll leave that for now. Bye.